If your hair is dry, brittle, color damaged, or you just want a little more volume, let me introduce you to Remilia's Green Cocoa Mask. I was just gifted this. I have tested their shampoo and conditioner in the past, and I love this brand. This morning, I used it on my hair after I had crimped my hair, so it was very frizzy, in need of some love, and I am so in love with what this did for my hair. Now, I have very fine, brittle hair prone to breakage, and I feel like this gave me a lot of hydration and sheen without weighing my hair down. And as I understand over time, this will help volumize my hair as well, which is just amazing. And what's really cool about this brand is that it is made in the USA, it's vegan, it's for all hair types, and it has some very amazing actives that are all clinically backed. It starts out with oils and extracts like green tea extract, green apple extract, avocado oil, castor oil, and coconut oil. And then it has hydrolyzed rice protein and quinoa protein to help with that volume. And then it rounds out with vitamin B5, vitamin E, and a patented Produce amino acid complex to really support your hair. And not just the first time, but over time, you should see better and better results with using this. Now, I saw in the comments that some people say they go through this too fast, and I gotta tell you right now that this is one of the better masks I've used for it lasting longer. I didn't actually need much of this to really feel it through all of my hair. You don't need to make your hair the color of this mask to know it's working. Just put it through almost more like you're putting through your conditioner, just a little bit more of it, and then just wrap it on top of your head. As long as your hair is shampooed and wet, this is gonna go on very nicely and really coat your hair without using too much of it. So if you find that you want to reach for more in the bottle, wait first, run your fingers through your hair a few more times and see if you can really work through what you have to make this last longer and to make it really work for you over the long run. As I do think this is worth getting again and again. And another thing I want to talk to is the scent. I can't really place it. It's a little bit perfumey, very much a spa experience kind of smell, but Remilia does have a description for it. And that's that the scent is composed of cedarwood, jasmine, vanilla, and rose. Which maybe I can see that. It's so many different scents that they make their own scent basically, but just know that it is a little bit more on the perfumey side. Though I have to say that my hair doesn't really retain the smell very much after I dried it, so this isn't going to be a smell that stays with you all day either. And all this really makes me want to do is go and get their shampoo and conditioner again. I tested those about a year ago. I loved them. I remember they made my hair silky, soft, and smooth, but I'm always testing new products, so I haven't gotten back to those, and using this just reminds me how much I loved those. This is an amazing brand, and if you're looking for something that's going to give you soft, supple hair that's also vegan with ingredients you can recognize and is made in the USA, give Remilia a try.